ito ay si Chief Inspector Harry Socaire ng Finance Service. Sir?
Kano ba, sir? Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Narito po kami. Kami po yung mga nagsiserve doon sa mga nagsiserve in Putek. Sequence of presentation ko po ay significant accomplishment, program and policies of project, best practice, and update on major issues. Sa new salary system namin, this come from computer service kasi ito nanggaling noon, nilipat na sa amin. Ang new salary system is running under the operation and control of Finance Service. In this new system, the data from Personnel Accounting Information, PAIS, or Record Management Division of the Directorate of Record Management, DPRM, is the only basis the Finance Service in generating pay-in allowances of PNP personnel. Pay-in allowances system PAS module. This sub-module is the new PNP salary system was developed and to add updated ATM inclusion and rectification of all active personnel. Likewise, it can verify the salary and allowances of all PNP personnel. PNP salary system again. The FS inter-office connectivity to accounting division. Before, we don't have this connectivity. But it was introduced by the former DC. The PNP salary system inter-office connectivity was installed in the accounting division of Directorate for Controllership on October 7, 2014. After the submission of name of user from the accounting division, they will provide username and password in payslip verifier module. This module provides the real-time verification on the last payment of those PNP personnel who are retiring. With this inter-office connectivity in accounting division and Directorate for Controllership can access and verify the salary received by retiring personnel and check if the computation of the retirement benefits and claim is correct by using the payslip verifier module. Programs and policies in project. We have this PNP Memorandum Circular 2015-027 dated August 16, 2015 with the subject implementation of salary assignment for PNP personnel assignee through Land Bank Visa debit card. It means that yung mga magpapasalary assign sa mga pulis namin ay through ATM na po ngayon. Next, program policies again. Transfer of pension data management system to FS. The transfer of pension and data management to PGSFS is due to the disbursement mandate and function of FS, and further to be able to implement automatic pension deduction scheme. This aims to give a prompt financial service to all retired PNP personnel and their dependents, and give more emphasis to the enhanced timely delivery of financial service to its stakeholders. Our best practice, the ATM box opening. In pursuit of attaining strategic goal of 100% enrollment, mandatory coverage of all PNP personnel in the ATM payroll system, if FS instituted the ATM box opening of the remaining PNP personnel who are still being paid through continuous check. For its implementation, the Director FS and Director Chief Regional Finance Service Office, through the memo dated September 1, 2014, to submit the names of all PNP under their respective paid jurisdiction who are not yet enrolled in ATM payroll system. As a result, a batch opening of ATM account for 1,332 of PNP personnel was conducted on November 27, 2014 at Lanbangkang Krami branch. This system was institutionalized down to our regional finance service offices, where the newly recruited PO1 are enrolled by batch on month after their top oath into the PNP service. Another best practice of finance service is the online viewing of payslip. Considered as a milestone in the history of the PNP, the creation of online payslip viewing enabled the PNP personnel to access and view their payslip online through sdms.org online payslip. This system provides the real-time verification on the salary of the registered PNP personnel for the month or any month from May 2002 to current year. Likewise, payslip view can be sent through the user email account and can be printed by their file or for reference. In like manner, RFSO can verify and issue computer-generated payslip for the official use of personnel in their respective jurisdiction. For example, gagamitin nila sa loan. On the updates of major issues, progress in development of IPA's data management system. As shown, those who have 0% are still ongoing. That's all in today.
So, ilan lahat na po, bakit, ano yung problema dun sa yung mga personnel na up to now, checking system pa rin yung ginagawa?
We have
Instead of ATM.
yes, sir. That's for newly recruit, sir. All the personnel na hindi naka-ATM is yung newly recruit po. Kasi may 1 month na kailangan na voucher sila. Then the next month, ATM na po sila. Sa mga regular po namin, sir, wala na po. Only the recruits are receiving checks for the first month.
So nationwide, kahit yung mga liblib na municipalities, ATM-based na lahat yung salary.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, hindi naman kayo na, di ba, ng ATM na kayo, hindi naman kayo nakakasin ng complaint kasi parang kung nawawala yung pera sa ATM, hindi kayo nakakasin ng complaint. I mean, yung halimbawa pag ginamit sa iba tapos parang na-hack.
Based on our experience, sir, wala pa naman reklamo kung gano'n.
Yun doon sa retirement, gaano ba kadali makapag-claim yung retiring person? Meron na bang standard processing time?
Sir, hindi kita masagot dyan kasi sa ang proper office na i-address dyan, sir, is the PRPS. Yes, sir.
So sir, with the ATM, wala na pong nag-complain na diba yung mga loan shark dati na parang hindi mo agad na-release yung kanilang pera. And then, mag-offer sila ng, o mag-loan ka na lang, tapos sa kalalagyan ng madami. Wala na ba yung
Usually, ma'am, wala po kaming nare-receive na ganung reklamo. Then, isa po sa purpose ng ATM, yung loan chart na parang nawala po yung loan chart na yun.
Can we safely say, sir, na wala nang loan shark in the PNP.
As far as I concern, ma'am, sa office po namin, wala pong reklamo gano'n.
Hindi nakaka-receive.
Wala po, ma'am.
Isasanla yung ATM, ano yun? Di ba ginagawa ito?
Saan po, sir?
Yung sinasandayan yung
Sanla ng ATM.
Hindi naman siguro, sir, kasi may depart kami daily, then kasama sa ini-inspect namin yung ID at ATM ng tao po kung nasa kanila.
Nationwide, sir? O yung parang
Nationwide yan, ma'am. Yung nationwide na policy ang inspection ng ATM po sa tao as part of the uniform.
parang parte na ng ID at saka itong ATM kasama?
Part of ID and uniform, ma'am, ng tao.
So hindi pwedeng ibigay kay Mrs. yung ATM?
Para mag-withdraw, sir, pwede siguro kung Saturday, Sunday, pero nasa kanya yun, pagka working day niya, sir, nasa kanya talaga. Kasi DDR-an siya kung wala sa kanya.
Hindi ako.
Derogatory record po yun, sir.
Pag wala nang
Mag-i-explain siya.
ano yun? Gaano ka frequent yun, sir, na
Random.
pag-check? Everyday ba?
As far as the MC is concerned, sir, everyday po yan.
Random.
Hindi po random, inspection po yan, sir, na everyday. May depart kasi kami tinatawag, sir.
Per station pala yun, sir, parang gano'n?
As far as MC is concerned.
So wala naman nagre-reklamo na kay Mrs. Wala naman ako.
Wala.
Wala naman nagre-reklamo na kay Mrs. eh. Hindi wala akong magawa eh. Matapang yun sa akin.
Hindi niya pwede rason yun, sir, kasi mag-i-explain nga siya, sir.
Pag wala, sir, ano yung penalty?
Yung DR nga, sir, ang sinasabi namin. DR. Nagdi-DR ka.
Kasi is parang ano yun, sa promotion mo, makakapekto.
Kasi, sir, may...
Parang merits and demerits.
Yes, sir, merit and demerit yan, yung DR po.
Sir, bakit? Bakit finally nagkaroon na? Kailan na-issue tong MC na to? And ano yung parang, yung reason, yung parang behind all those rationale behind all?
Saan, ma'am? Yung sa...
Part
Part of uniform. Actually, ma'am, nasa MC yan ng effect, ng pagpa-effect namin ng ATM, kasama yung MC, sa MC na yun. Na it is a part of the uniform and it will be checked on daily basis sa depart namin.
Since when, sir, and why?
I will check on the MC, mama, kasi yung date, effective, di ko na alam yung effectivity ng MC namin, ma'am, pero until now, effective.
Pero bakit ba, sir, talagang isinama?
Kaya nga, ma'am, isinama yan kasi doon sa tinanong ni ma'am kanina, to avoid sa loan shark na isangla yung, masangla yung ATM na ganun. Kaya yun ang isa sa counter checking namin sa tao namin po.
Hindi naman dahil may naglabi mga polis na labi na lang kinisis. Pero sir, meron ba kayong cases na ilan na ba yung na tawag doon? Na DR dahil doon?
Wala po akong record na ganun, sir. Sa DPRM po yun nire-report.
Dapat pala yung ma-report na gano'n.
Ay, tama.
Ako sa board na rin ako.
Kung daliban 2007 pa daw kayo nag-ATM?
Earlier pa, ma'am, 2002. Pero yung sa MC namin, ma'am,
Asa ka na? Nasa ka na?
ay lumabas po ng August 2016, 2015.
2016 next year.
Ay, hindi, ma'am.
2014?
Last year, 2 years ago.
September 1.
I will check on that, mama. Di
Pero
naka...
based on your recall, parang kailan ka nagkaroon
mga 2004, ma'am, naka-ATM na po ako. 2004, pero kung sino lang po yung gusto na pa-ATM, yun lang po. Pero hindi pa yun in-implement na talaga, mandatory.
Tapos yung 2000 later years, saka na mandatory lang.
Opo, ma'am.
Ano yung mga programs po ng finance service na sa tingin natin na nakatulong sa mga police to make them effective in their, kasi di ba pagka may utang ka, parang na-distract ka in implementing all those, parang ano yung mga programs that you have para naman makatulong sa PNP leadership in making police officers effective with their
Actually, ma'am, di natin maiwasan yung loan. Pero may tinatawag kami, ma'am, na standard na maiiwan doon sa ATM mo.
para may limit.
Na may limit na 5,000, ma'am, na hindi mo pwede galawin. Hindi na pwede. Pag naka 5,000 ang naiwan, hindi na po pwede mag-loan ang tao.
In any financing
Institution, sir. In any finance institution. Kami po kasi magkukontrol, sir, eh. Dadaan sa amin pagka mag-loan siya, magpapapirma po sa DO namin. Then pagka 5,000 na yung ano niya, sir, hindi na i-approve ng DO namin, sir.
Pero that is yung legal loan lang, di ba? Pero kung baga pag umutang ka sa mga 5-6, wala namang papel.
Yes, ma'am. Hindi na namin control po.
Sir, yung loan, speaking of loan, lahat ng financing, may kahit pa ibang bangko, mga car loan, housing, dadaan nila sa inyo.
Po, sir. Yung iaano nila na loan. Kasi pipirma doon ang DO namin, sir, eh. Disbursing officer.
And
In every jurisdiction na assign siya, sir.
you assume na walang nakalulusot na nakaloan sa bangko, mag-loan halimbawa sa PR, Pasla.
Wala, sir. Walang makakalusot. Kasi na-check namin, sir, sa ano namin, sir. Naka-online viewing po rin kami interconnected kami, sir, sa regional offices namin, sir.
Sir, kamusta yung pagbibigay niyo ng PBB?
Ma'am, hindi kita masagot dyan kasi nasa DC pa po ang ano na yan.
Pero yung 2014 wala pa.
Opo, ma'am.
Bakit?
Wala akong idea, ma'am, kung i-check on that, ma'am.
Wala sa inyo.
Wala pa, ma'am.
So, di ba parang may program mo na pag-design na lang yung ID, TPM? Parang walang ganun. Kasi parang narinig ko yung dati na instead na dalawa, yung ID mo will serve as ATM.
May project na ganyan, sir, pero hindi ata nag-materialize po.
Land bank yun, no? ATM.
And, ma'am, sila kasi ginagamit namin na government servicing bank.
Ano nga ba yung mga area na walang land bank?
Yun, sir, ang ginagawa, sir, kagaya sa Samar, sir, yung mga coastal, sir, magbabangkayan dun sa
Yun
katabing
yung nasa
bayan.
basis.
Eh, ganun din naman yun eh.
Isang tao na lang ang magdadala sa isang ATM, tapos yun na yung kanya.
Depende sa arrangement nila, sir, kung ano.
Okay.
Para yung bangka.
So ilan yung, sinabi na kahapon na yung PPRM, 158 out of 57, 972,000 naman yung pinakasweldo na ng PNP.
Plus NU,
168,000.
nasa 81,000.
Yung number mo kanina na may, yung number mo. Sa record.
Yan, ito
Hindi
na.
naman kayo kulang ng tao, sir. Or nagre-request din kayo for additional personnel kasi kulang yung susuma. Kami magaling kami sa
Actually, ma'am, kulang kami na, pero ongoing din yung recruits namin ng applicant.
Ano po yung requirements bago ma-assign sa finance?
Kailangan po may schooling ng finance, ma'am.
And the PNP is providing equivalent.
Yes, ma'am.
Bago pumasok.
Meron naman. Specialized course ang tinatawag nila dyan.
Basta hindi bobo sa mat.
Ay, bawal journalist dyan.
Sir, bakit hindi pa lahat ngayon nakakatanggap?
As I said, ma'am, yan yung mga recruit kasi excuse me, ma'am, may correction lang po. Net take-home pay pala is 3,000. Then subsistence allowance, hindi mo pwede i-loan, is 4,500. Total of 7,000
Ang naiiwan.
ang naiiwan po sa ATM mo, ma'am, na hindi pwede mo i-loan dahil hindi kaya approve ng DO.
Oo, ano ba? Ang laki naman ng 7,000 na yun. home mo yan.
Take home mo yun, ma'am. Yung gagamitin mo sa isang buwan na
Monthly yung sir, hindi po 15-13. Hindi po.
hindi sir, monthly.
So dapat
Every month.
every month may 7,000.
Opo, sir.
So pwedeng 3,535. 3,535 ang katapusan.
Basta sir, pag nagpapirma siya ng loan, kailangan may 7.5 na matira sa kanya monthly.
Kasi in reality, yun yung expenses in a
Parang yung base na ano na dapat.
ng isang pamilya.
Maintaining balance. Ang laki ah.
Para sigurado may kakainin.
Opo.
Kasi pag wala natira yan, alam na.
Tayo sa akin ko yan. Magka-traffic sila.
Total personnel po na pinapasahod namin sir is 166,509.
Kasama na po yung UP.
Yes sir.
95.7 million na.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you din po.